Akshita Gani. I am going to teach you English. Students, the first lesson of the 5th standard is Christopher. The first lesson of the 5th standard is Christopher. Before going to the lesson, I would like to ask a question. That who would you call a godly person? Who would you call a godly person or a holy person? Who would you call? Yes, we call a person godly who helps all the people without any expectation. Whom we call a good person, or who has the great quality in him, who helps the people without any expectations. Okay, we would call him a holy person, who have the ethics, who have a good characters. To him we can call him a holy person. Okay then, and how you define the God? God can be defined in various things, various type. How can you, for example, we have God is love. We can see God in love, and like that, how other words for the God? Do you know any of them? Yes, okay. God is help. God is love. God is noble. God is great. Okay, like that, in various things we can call God. We can see God in various types. God is work, like that. Okay students, let me start the lesson. I will read it first. Okay students, there have been many good and godly persons in the world. Here we will read the story of one such noble person. He was called Pharaoh. He was called Pharaoh. He was a man of great size and strength. He was a man of great size and strength. He was kind and good to all. He was kind and good to all. He was always helping others in one way or the other. He was always helping others in one way or the other. Okay, here in this lesson we have, in this world we can see many good persons and godly persons. Many good persons and godly persons means the person who have the good things, who have good things in him, who have the helping nature, and who have the good characters, and who have the godly things in him. We can see many persons in this world, and among them one of the person here we are going to study, and this story is about a noble, such a good person and godly person. We are going to study him, and he was a noble person. Noble person means great person. Noble means great. He was a great person. And what is the name of the person? He was called as Pharaoh. The name of the person was Pharaoh. Who is that godly person, noble person? That is Pharaoh. That is Pharaoh. Okay students, he was man of great size and strength. How he was? He was a man of great size and strength. How he was? He was a man of great strength and great size. He strong man. He had a huge, gained in the sense huge. He had a huge strength. He had a huge strength and huge size. He was huge in his size. He was very big at his size. He was tall and well built up man, and he had strong strength. He had very large or huge strength, and he was kind and good to all. How he was? He was kind. He was kind and good to all. He was helping towards all. He was ready to help others and good. He was good to all. He wants to do everything good to others. He was always helping others in one way or the other. He was always ready to help others, not one or two. He was always ready to help everyone. He was always ready to help everyone, not in the one aspect or another aspect. In every aspect, in every situation, one way or other way, he was always ready to help them. Okay students, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವನ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಒಫೇರೋ. The name of the person was Ophero. How was he? He was gained in size and strength. ಅವನೇನಿರ್ತಾನ ಬಲಿಷ್ಠ, ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅವನ ಕಡೆ ಭಾಳ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಗೇಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ ಸೈಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎತ್ತರ ದಪ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ತಾನ. ಭಾಳ ದಪ್ಪಗ ಎತ್ತರ, ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತರಗ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ದೇಹವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್. ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾನ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಗುಣಗಳು ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ? ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಏನಿರ್ತಾನ? ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ in one way or other way. And next, one day Ophero was sitting on the bank of a river. One day what happened? Ophero, the noble person who was gained in his size and in his strength, he was sitting on the bank of the river. Where he was sitting? Ophero, where he was sitting? He was sitting on the bank of the river. Where? On the bank of the river. It was a wide and deep river. How the river it was? It was wide and deep. Wide and deep. The river, it was very large, it was very big, and it was very deep. Very deep. ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ನದಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, the river it was deep and very wide. ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಅಗಲ ಮತ್ತು ಭಾಳ ಆಳವಾದ ನದಿ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. How was the river? The river was very wide and deep. The river was wide and deep. Ophero saw an old man standing on the bank. Then what? Ophero, what was he doing? Ophero, one day what was he doing? He was sitting on the bank of the river. He was sitting on the bank of the river. And how was the river? The river was wide and deep. The river was wide and deep. Then he saw a old person standing on the bank. When Ophero he was sitting on the bank of the river, then he saw a old person who was standing on the bank. Ophero ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ? ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ರಿವರ್, ನದಿ ದಡದ ಮೇಲೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ? ಒಬ್ಬ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದಂಥ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. he saw the old man. ವಯಸ್ಸಾದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನು? he was standing on the bank. Where he was standing? He was standing on the bank. ನದಿಯ ದಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತಿರೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. he was standing looking over the river. The old man, he was looking over the river. He was standing on the bank of the river and he was looking on the river. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನ, ನದಿಯ ಕಡೆಗೇನೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನ, ನದಿಯನ್ನೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. He looked very sad. The old man who was standing on the bank of the river, he was looking over the river, and the old man, he was looking very sad. He was looking very sad. That was seen by whom? These all things were seen by Pharaoh, who was sitting on the bank of the river. ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಏನಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅವನೇನಾಗಿದ್ದ, ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. He looked very sad. He was looking very sad. Who was looking very sad? Who looked very sad? The old man, he looked very sad. What he was doing? The old man was standing and looking over the river. And it is seen by whom? It is seen by Pharaoh. Pharaoh, what he was doing? He was sitting on the bank of the river. And how was the river? How was the river? River was wide and deep. The river was wide and deep. Okay, then what happened when the old man, he looked sad? Pharaoh went up to him and said, "Can I help you, sir?" Pharaoh went up to him and said, "Can I help you, sir?" Then the old man, he was looking very sad. Then the Pharaoh, he was observing the old man, and when the old man, he looked very sad, then the Pharaoh, he went to the old man and asked him that if he can help him. Pharaoh went to the old man and he asked him if he can help him or help him. So Pharaoh, already we know Pharaoh was always ready to help others. He was always ready to help others in one way or other way. So when he saw a person in worry, he saw a person in a sadness, and then he came to that old man, and asked him that if he can help him. ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಫೇರೋ ನಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ಏನು, ಫೇರೋ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ಅವನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ. ಸೊ ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ, ಈ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ವಯಸ್ಸಾದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಏನಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ, ನಾ ಏನರ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಲೇನು, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ದೆನ್ the old man looked at Pharaoh and said, then when Pharaoh asked him if he can help him, then the old man, he turned towards the Pharaoh. He looked at Pharaoh. Pharaoh and said, I want to go across the river, but the water is very deep. The current is very strong, and I don't know how to swim. When Pharaoh went to the old man and asked him if he can do any help, then the old man, he looked at Pharaoh and said that he wanted to across the river. But the water was very deep. And the current of the water, it is very strong. Current in the sense here, the flowing of the water. Current of the water means the flowing of the water. Current means flowing. direction of the water. Movement of the water. The flowing of the water or movement of the water, it was very strong. The flowing of the water was very strong. How the river was flowing? The river was flowing in a rapid way, in a very fast movement. So, and moreover, the more problematic thing is here, he didn't know swimming. He said that he wanted to cross the river, and the water was very deep and the current was very strong, and he didn't know how to swim. He didn't know the swimming. That is why the old man, he was looking very sad, and he was standing on the bank of the river and looking over the river because he wanted to cross the river. But the problem is that the current of the river was very strong, and the depth of the river was very much, and he didn't know any kind of swimming. So he was worried how to cross the river. So he was in the sadness. ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಫೇರೋಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ವಯಸ್ಸಾದಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಏನಂತ, ನಾನು ನದಿಯನ್ನು ದಾಟಬೇಕಾಗೈತಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ, ದ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ದು ಹರಿವು ಏನೈತಿ, ಏನು ನದಿ ನೀರು ಹರಿಯಾಕತ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಜೋರಾಗ ಹರಿಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೈತಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಆಳ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ, ಭಾಳ ಆಳ ಐತಿ ನದಿ. ನಾವು ನೋಡಿ, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವಿ ನೋ ಬಿಫೋರ್, ದ river was deep and wide. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಭಾಳ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ನದಿ ಹರಿತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಓವರ್ he didn't know swimming. Moreover, the old man, he didn't know swimming. ಅವನಿಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನದಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಈಜ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನದಿ ಹೆಂಗದ, ಭಾಳ ಆಳ ಐತಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಹರಿವು ನದಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹರಿಯಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಭಾಳ ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗೂ ಹರಿಯಾತೈತಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಒಫೇರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. he said it to the Pharaoh. Then what happens next, we will see it in the next class.